Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve some problems related to trigonometric ratios of exercise 8.1. Now let us solve exercise problems using trigonometric ratios. The first question is, in a triangle ABC, right angle at B and AB is given as 24 centimeters, BC is given as 7 centimeters, determine sin A, cos A, sin C and the cos C. So first step is your first step should be always consider a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, what is given? Right angled at B, and AB is given as 24 centimeters, BC is given as 7 centimeters. So your first step should be finding all the three sides of the right angled triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, find the third side, that is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equals to 24 square plus 7 square. So from that, AC square is equals to 24 into 24 will become 576 plus 49. So AC square is equals to 625. From that, AC is equals to square root of 625, which is nothing but 25 centimeters. So now we got AC as 25 centimeters. So now we have all the three sides of the triangle. Now what is given here? Sin A. A stands for angle. So you have to consider angle from which point? A point. Then opposite to this will become the opposite side. Okay, and what is adjacent side here? 24 is the adjacent side and hypotenuse remains 25. So first bit is we have to find the value for sin A. Okay, what is the trick we have to remember? OA. Okay, so first old Harry, sin stands for what? Sin A stands for opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? BC, and hypotenuse is AC, which is equals to, which you can write as what? BC by AC is nothing but BC is 7 centimeters by AC is 25 centimeters. So sin A value is how much? 7 by 25. Now second bit in that, cos A. Cos stands for what? And his, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side here? AB by hypotenuse is AC. So from that, cos A is equals to AB is 24 centimeters and AC is 25 centimeters. So therefore cos A is 24 by 25. Now we have second bit in this as sin C and cos C. Okay, so for that again you have to consider the right angle triangle. Because why? Because the angle has been changed here, right? AB is given as 24, BC is given as 7 and AC we got as 25. So now our viewing angle is C. From this, what will be the opposite side? 24 will be the opposite side and this will become the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so now what we have to find out? Sin C. Sin C is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. So that is 24 by 25. And cos C is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is BC by AC, which is equals to 7 by 25. So you can see here, as angle changes from A to C, the values of sin and cos also changing. So be very careful what is given, what angle is given and from where we have to consider. Now the second problem of this exercise, that is in the figure find tan P minus cot R. So the figure given is PQR. PQ is given as 12 centimeters and PR is given as 13 centimeters. So what we have to find first, by using Pythagoras theorem, find the side QR. So solution, by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write here, PR square is the hypotenuse, right, is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So this is 13 square is equals to 12 square plus QR square. Okay, so 13 square is 169 is equals to 144 plus QR square. So 169 minus 144 is equals to QR square. So 169 minus 144 is 25, which is equals to QR square. From that, QR is equals to square root of 25 centimeters, which is 5 centimeters. So we got QR as 5 centimeters. So first what we have to find out? Tan P. Okay, tan P. So from this angle, right, if you consider this one, this will become the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. Tan stands for opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, what is opposite side here? QR. And by adjacent side here is PQ, which is nothing but 5 by 12. Next, cot R. Again for that, draw a triangle PQR. Okay, this is 5 centimeters, this is 12 centimeters, this is 13 centimeters. Okay, from that cot R, this is the angle, viewing angle, so this will become the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So what we have to find out? Cot R. Cot R is nothing but adjacent side by opposite side, which is nothing but QR by PQ, which is equals to 5 by 12. 5 by 12. But in the question we have to find tan P minus cot R, that is tan P minus cot R, which is nothing but 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, both gets cancelled. Your answer is 0. Now let us start the third problem of this exercise, that is, if sin A is equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So first let us write given, that is sin A is equals to 3 by 4. What is sin stands for? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so draw a right angled triangle ABC, which is right angled at the point B. From angle is from A, so from A you consider, that is, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So what all we have here? We have opposite side as 3 centimeters and hypotenuse as 4 centimeters. Okay, let us find out the adjacent side by using the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC is nothing but 4 square is equals to AB is not given, BC is 3 square. So 16 is equals to AB square plus 9, shift it here, 16 minus 9 is equals to AB square, 16 minus 9 is 7, 7 is equals to AB square. So from that, AB is equals to root 7 centimeters. So what is the adjacent side here? Root 7 centimeters. So now what we have to find out? We have to find the value of cos A. What is cos A stands for? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? Adjacent side is nothing but root 7 by hypotenuse is nothing but 4. So this is the cos A value. Now tan A. Tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side, which is nothing but tan A is equals to opposite side here is 3 by root 7 centimeters. Okay. Now let us start the fourth problem of this exercise, that is, given 15 cot A is equals to 8, find secant A and sin A. So for that, first what is given to us? That is 15 cot A is equals to 8. So from that, cot A is equals to 8 by 15. So 8 is nothing but adjacent side and 15 is nothing but opposite side. Okay, so let us draw a right angled triangle A, B, C. Right angle at the point A. For this is the opposite side, adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So adjacent side is given as 8 centimeters, opposite side is given as 15 centimeters. So let us find the hypotenuse first by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC is not there, so let it be AC square. AB square is nothing but 8 square plus 15 square. So from that, AC square is equals to 64 plus 225. AC square is equals to 289. So from that, AC is equals to square root of 289. AC is equals to 17 centimeters. So what is AC now? 17 centimeters. So what we have to find out? We have to find out sin A and secant A. So let us first find out sin A, which is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side here is BC by AC, which is equals to 15 by 17. 15 by 17. And secant A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC by adjacent side is AB, which is equals to 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Now, the fifth problem of this exercise, that is, given secant theta is equals to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. So first let us consider the given, that is secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. Secant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay. So first let us draw a right angle triangle. You can name it as anything because not specified. So PQR. Okay. Theta can also be taken from anywhere because he has specified it as theta. So I am considering at the point R. Then this will become the opposite side, this will become the adjacent side, and this will become the hypotenuse. So we have hypotenuse as 13 and adjacent side as 12. We need to find out PQ, okay, which is nothing but the one more side. So by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write here is PQ square plus QR square is equals to PR square. So PQ square plus 12 square is equals to 13 square. So from that, PQ square is equals to 169 minus 144. From that, PQ square is equals to 25. PQ is equals to square root of 25. So PQ is equals to 5 centimeters. Okay. So we got the opposite side as 5 centimeters. So we have to write all the 6 trigonometric ratios. So remember old Harry and his old aunt trick. So first, sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side here? PQ. PQ by PR, which is equals to 5 by 13. And next one is cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, which is nothing but QR by PR, which is equals to 12 by 13. And next, tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent side. So PQ by QR, which is equals to 5 by 12. Okay. Sin, cos, tan. Secant is already given. Cosecant will be the reciprocal of this, H by O, that is PR by PQ, which is equals to 13 by 5. And next last one is cot theta, which is nothing but adjacent by opposite side, QR by PQ, which is equals to 12 by 5. So this is how we find the remaining 6 trigonometric ratios using 1.